Understand and apply multiplication of mixed numbers. Module 9 to grade into math. Which does not belong? Look at the figures below. Each figure is a circle that is missing a piece. Which figure does not, or is different from the others? So which color? The blue, right? What is different about it? So why does it not belong? Or it has a smaller piece missing, right? Okay. So the blue figure has a smaller piece missing than the rest. Okay, write an expression to model the total amount of the four figures. So Clinton said that this was missing an 8. These are all missing a what? 4. So it would be 3/4, right? That's colored in. So 3/4 plus what would this one be if it's missing an 8? 70 plus what would this one be? 3/4. And what would this one be? 3/4. Okay. And then if we were actually going to add all those together, we'd have to get a common denominator. Now we could also, since we have 3 as a 3/4, we could multiply that times 3, right? Get that answer and then add 70. Okay. Are you ready? Complete these problems to review prior concepts and skills you will need for this module. So these are things you were in 4th grade. Okay. Write the fraction that means the whole. So how many total pieces are there on number 1? 6, and there's 6 colored in, so it'd be 6, 6, right? Equals 1. Okay, how many total pieces are there on 2? 8. 8 colored in, so it'd be 8, 8. Okay, 6 times 4 is 24. 7 times 7, 9 times 5, 10 times 8, 2 times 6, 7 times 8, 7 times 9, 4 times 4, 3 times 8, 4 times 3, 2 times 9, 5 times 5. Okay, reading fractions in mixed numbers. Write the mixed number as a fraction. So this is where we put the multiplication plus sign. And then we start down at the bottom and work our way around the clock, right? 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1 is 16. So 16 this. Okay, put a multiplication plus sign. So work our way around the clock, starting at the bottom. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2 is 22. So 22 this. Okay, multiplication sign plus sign. So 4 times 6 is 24, plus 3 is 7/4. Okay, 3 and 5, 8. Multiplication plus sign. So 8 plus 3 is, or 8 times 3 is 24, plus 5 is the 29/8. Okay, so that fraction bar also means what with an improper fraction? It can also mean division, right? Okay, so what is 16 divided by 3? So 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 16 minus 15 is 1. And then we keep our same denominator of 3. Okay. Next one. 10 divided by 7. 1. 1 times 7 is 7. So 10 minus 7 is 3. And keep keep our same denominator of 7. 52 divided by 9. Okay, so 5. What is 5 times 9? 45. So 52 minus 45, 7. And then we keep our same denominator of 9. Now, if we needed to simplify these, yes. Okay. All right. Then 17 divided by 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. 17 minus 15 is 2. And leave our thirds. So 5 and 2 thirds.